Hi friends, this is Rajeshwar Rayapati and welcome back to my channel Rayapati. Before discussing the scenario, please do like, subscribe and share my channel Rayapati, and also share it among your friends who are working on Tableau and are looking for support. Okay, and there is a Telegram channel named Rayapati YouTube channel. This is the scenario we are going to discuss today. So whatever the scenarios that you have, you can join this channel and you can ask me your doubts. I will either make a workbook like this one. This the same scenario. I also presented them with a workbook that is present in my Tableau public profile. So if you follow me, you can get all these updates whenever I present it in my Tableau public profile, because all my visualizations in this majority are 99% are solutions to some or the other problems. Okay, so you can check this out if you want or if you're interested. And again, uh, yeah, coming to today's scenario. Now, this is what Mr. Samir Mishra is asking. How to filter the previous year categories based on current year categories. So what is he saying? If he has suppose example, if he has ABCD as my categories in the current year, then previous year has the categories A, B, C, D, E. Then the E, that extra E that is present in the previous year, should not be shown. Only the categories that are present in the current year should be shown. Now later my doubt was, will the both current year and previous year categories both will be in the same view or not? Then he confirmed me that with the S. And then my next question was, for current year category that are not part of the previous year, should be displayed null. Now, what does that mean? See here. For in 2020 you have a you have a product, right? But in 2019, see, there is no 2019 here. So when there is this is these are the products of 2020 and these are the products of 2019. Both are present in the same view. Now if the product is present in 2020 and it is not present in 2019, then it should be displayed as none. That is what I asked him, and he said he hazarded me with the S. Now this is a solution for this, because now here I have filtered this, all the products I put it in and filtered this with this some calculation, only product of only 2020 products. And then I brought in 2019 products and see if there is, if the year is 2000, the product is not present in 2019, then it is showing as now. If year is present in, if the product is present in 2020 and 2019, then only it is being shown in the score. Okay, now let's get into the solution. Now, if you where is my product? Let me get into the product. Let me drag my product. Okay. Once I drag my product name, then I'll also drag my order ID. Now, if you see, certain products are ordered only in certain years. This product is not ordered after 2018. And this product is ordered all the years. This product is not ordered in 2018. Okay, so in this, what are we interested? Currently, I am interested only in the products that are ordered only in 2020. Okay, now we can directly put this in here, years. I can say 2020, right? This is one way. But as you know, I'm always interested in LODs. I'd like to achieve this with an LOD just for the purpose of understanding. Now let me drag a calculated field here. Fixed. Okay. Product name. Okay. Column. Okay. Aggregation will come in later. If year of order date is equal to year of, generally it should be year of today, but we entered into the new year and my superstore data contains data only till 2020, so I'm using -1 here, -1, sorry, but you can use minus, then you need not use -1 when we are talking about current year, right? Then 1 end. Okay, I'm putting a, now this will give an error because we are missing an aggregation. Now what am I doing here? If my product name, it is present in the year, current year, if it is present in the current year, then I am assigning a value 1 to it, else null, right? So I don't want any aggregation to happen here, though that is why I am giving an average. So average of 1 is always 1. Okay. Now again, let me name, already it is there. Okay. Only 2020. I'm not going to put products. Okay. This cell is missing. Only 2020. Apply. Okay. Now again, I'll convert this into dimension. And here, let me drag it into filters and I'll select only. Okay. This is the same as selecting only 2020 in the filter, order date filter, right? Now, what do I want in the next phase? I want only 2019 products, right? So then again, I will again duplicate my only 2020 and I'll just edit it. Now here, in place of -1, which is taking me to 2020, I'm put -2, which will take me to 2019. Okay, apply. Okay. Now, for validity's sake, let me drag my order date here. See, in every product present in here, it is talking about 2020. So every product will have this year 2020 for sure. Okay. Now the same ways I'm going to the next sheet, and then again I'm dragging my product name here. Numbers. Okay. This I forgot to name this as only 2019, right? Because we put -2, right? It is 2019. Now let me drag, it is 2019, okay, 20. Okay. This to filter, only 2019 to filter, select one, apply, okay. Okay, now let me drag my order date. Now you will see every product is having 2019, or in other words, every product that is present in here is ordered in 2019. Now, what are we having? We have products that are ordered in 2020 that is present in here, and we have products that are ordered in 2019 that is present in here. But what do we want? Now, when we have my product right here, the same thing. Let me take this sheet only. When I have this sheet is about the products that are ordered in 2020. Now here, I also want the products that are ordered in 2019, like this. I ordered the products that are ordered in 2019, and if the product is this 2019, if the product is not ordered for those which are ordered in 2020, here if you see, the same product is not ordered in 2019, for that it should show none. But for that, we need this 2019 products, right? So for that, I'll just write a small calculation. If only 2019 is equal to 1, then product name. Okay, now let me rename this as I've already renamed. Okay, products in 2019. Okay, now apply. Okay, now let me drag this product in 2019 to here. Now if you see here, whenever the order, look, okay, first see the change, see this part of here. Now earlier every value is present. When I drag this products in 2019 in here, now see here you can see nulls. You can see nulls wherever there is the 2019 is not present. Whatever the products that are ordered in 2020 and the product is not ordered in 2019, that is showing null. We are not bothered about 2017 or 2018, right? So this is what he asked us. Let us look at the problem statement once again so that we'll get the clarity. Now, how to filter the previous year categories based on current year categories. For example, if I have A, B, C, D as my categories in the current year, like we have the product names in the current year, then previous year has some other product names also, right? Then here the extra products that means, what do you say, the products that are ordered in 2020, that and we also have the products that are ordered in 2019, right? So now we have to remove those products, or we should not show those products which are not a part of 2020 and present in 2019. Okay, so that is what we showed here. We showed all the products that are ordered in 2020, and we are showing only those products ordered in 2019. Okay, so I think this will solve our scenario. Okay, so before leaving, see, and again the workbook is present in, already present in here. I posted it long back. So if you want, you can go and view the solution here if you want a hands-on. Okay, please follow my this Tableau public profile if you want to get any update on the workbooks that I post, because not all solutions I post in uh, YouTube, my channel, are like there are certain solutions that I post directly in my Tableau public profile. Okay, and also as regular, please do like, subscribe, and share my channel Rayapati, and please share it among your friends who are working on Tableau and are looking for support on Tableau. And if you want to ask me any doubt, this is the channel, Rayapati YouTube channel. That is what you have to join in the Telegram. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks a lot.